Hi friends, this is Pratyanshu and today I discuss square and square roots. So first thing, what is square number? What is square number? So we can say that a natural number or those numbers which can be expressed as the product of number with itself So the square number is those number which can be expressed as the product of number with itself, or we can say that in other form, if a natural number m can be expressed as n square, or we can say n square where n is a natural number, where n is also a natural number, then m is called square number. M is called square number. For example, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144, 169, 196, 225, 256, 289, 324, 361 and 400. If you multiply 1 by itself, then I get 1. 2 itself, then I get 4. 3 itself, then I get 9. 4 itself, then I get 16. 5 itself, then I get 25. 6 itself, then it's get 36. 7 itself, so get 49. For 8 itself, 64. 9 itself, 81. 10 itself, 100. 11 itself, 121. 12 itself, 144. 13 itself, 169. 14 itself, 196. 15 itself, 225. 16 itself, 256. 17 itself, 289. 18 itself, 324. 19 itself, 361 and 20 itself, 20. So this is the square of 20 natural numbers starting from 1 to 20. So we can say that 9 is the square number of 3. 9 is the square number of 3. 81 is the square number of 9, as well as 225 is the square number of 50. So these all yellow colors numbers are called perfect square. perfect square. When any number can convert into this form, one number multiplied by itself, then it is called a perfect square. Then it is called a perfect square. Now I discuss some property of square. Now if you closely observe this table, then all perfect square number unit digit are 1 4 9 6 5 6 9 4 1 0 1 4 9 6 5 6 9 4 1 0. So the all perfect square number, all perfect square number, all perfect square number end with 0 1 4 5 6 and 9. All perfect square number ends with 0 1 4 5 6 and 9. Anything else number are not present in the unit place of perfect square, or we can say perfect square never ends with 2 3 7 or 8 at unit place. Now if anyone ask, then anyone ask and say 322 is a perfect square or not, then we see only unit digit. Its unit digit is 2, so this is not a perfect square by rule second. If anyone asks 325 is a perfect square, then 4 are present at unit place, then it may be square, it may be perfect square or not, may or may not be case. But if you see the table, then 324 is the perfect square of 80. But if these 4 numbers are present at unit place, then the number is never perfect square. It's never perfect square. Now again I closely observe this table in next page. Now if I take some interesting points, if you see this table 1 81 121 361 and 441, these all are perfect square and with the digit 1. Now 1 is the perfect square of 1, 81 is the perfect square of 9, 121 is the perfect square of 11, 361 is the perfect square of 19, and 441 is the perfect square of 12. If you clearly observe this table, then you can say that if a number has 1 or 9 in the unit place, then its square ends with 1. If the square of 1 is 1, 9 is square of 9 is 81, 11 is square 121, 19 is square 361, 21 is square 441. So if any number if a number has 1 or 9 in unit place, then its square always ends with 1. Now again some more example, again some more table. 16, 36, 196 or 256. 16 is the square of 4, 36 is the square of 6, 196 is the square of 14 and 256 is the square of 16. Now again if you closely observe this table, then you found that if any number or when a square number ends with 6, then the number whose square it is will have either 4 or 6 in unit place. 4 or 6 in unit place. Now any square number ends with 6 at unit place, then the number whose square it is always ends with 4 or 6. 4 or 6. So these two are the interesting property of square. Now discuss some more property or some more interesting property in next video. So please download the Scholar Learning app, and if you already download this, then enjoy learning. Thanks to watching this video.